you get up to the top, and as you sort of peer out, the sky on the other side of the wall, completely clear.
What's the nature look like on the other side?
There is no. It's still everything's still
ice?
frozen.
Okay.
It's still snowy, but it's you look at the blizzard. It's like it's night and day. You look to the south. It's a blizzardy mess. You look to the other direction, and it's totally clear.
I'm sorry. Are we in a pit, or is there like how big is this wall?
That's my